Hi. So, being that it's cold and crappy out here, indoor slash garage projects are key. So today I want to build my entertainment slash TV stand. I haven't found anything I liked and I want a specific design, so I'm gonna build my own. The husband learned me on how to use the Craig joiner, so whee, here I go. I'm gonna do it about 60 inches wide and roughly like 30 inches tall. I'm gonna build it all out of pine because that's my favorite wood. And I know, it is, I just love pine. So yeah, let's get to it.
My wife built here. Got the skeleton to her entertainment system. Doing pocket jigs or pocket holes. Craig joint. Shout out to Craig joint. CraigJoint.com. Michelle.
So we're
got the frame done.
Got the frame done. Woo!
Need a top and some side panels and
yeah, now it's time to dress her up.
put some shelves in it.
The husband's been helping.
Clamping
Yeah,
it.
so.
Putting some clamps on it and tightening it all up. It's all square. Everything's square, true, flush, plumb.
Yeah, this is our beast. This thing's gonna be so heavy. I love it.
It's already heavy.
Yeah.
Cool. Stay tuned. Okay, good morning. Putting the finishing touches on the TV cabinet. I've got it all stained up. Mexican pine. Looks good.
We got some doors to make today. Finish the top. And legs. So hopefully we'll get her done today. Peter's getting down on the entertainment top. What are you doing?
Got my bed planer. Old school like the Amish. Just flushing up the top of this. We had to glue it together or seam a couple 2x12s together. Show them my angle, show them I toothed it in. Looks good. 15 degrees. Hang on the end, show 'em. 15 degrees, tied it in so we can have more surface area. Yeah, like the Amish.
She's almost finished. Working on the doors today. I need to stain them and hang them, put some finishing touches, and put my legs on. But she's coming out really good. I love it. So hopefully, oh, then I gotta poly it. So hopefully I'll get it moved in the house today. I have my doors here. So I just used all scrap wood from that build and our other builds. So I used all scrap pine. Yeah, I got some blue pine in there, which is my favorite. You'll be seeing that later. But this is what it looks like before stain. And then this is the one I stained yesterday. So gives it a nice rustic feel. I love it. So it's gonna look really good when they go on. I'm excited. I'm using this Ipswich, I don't know if I'm saying that right, stain as the base coat. And then I'm going back with my English chestnut and kind of feathering that in to kind of give it that old weathered barn look feel. And it's turning out great. So kind of hitting my knots and along the edges, and I'm touching up the doors too at the same time. It dries a little lighter. It looks really red when I put it on. But yeah, I'm kind of going around and you can see where I'm like touching it. And this is the blue pine that's makes it look weathered underneath there too. So I am trying to get the doors to kind of match what I've already done on here. So it's reveal day.
Hey, here we are. Mika's so excited. Look, she just can't help herself.
We brought her in last night, finished her up, put the hardware on, and got the top on. So
Yep, it's heavy.
and it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Let's see.
Here we are. Ta-da! Our new TV cabinet.
I love it. So I wanted to build this shelf specifically for our sound bar because I don't like it on top. So that's what this little slot is. And then we have plenty of storage underneath.
Yep, doors swing nice. Boop, boop. Magnets, handles, everything.
So we made her out of pine and 2x4s.
Yep, one by material, two by material.
The top is 2x12.
Two by 12s. We had a piece top in. We showed you that earlier during the build. And yeah, what's also cool is we get to hide all of our electrical cords back there and stuff. The sound bar, it seems to echo inside this, kind of like a drum a little bit. The acoustics are a lot better. Yeah.
Yeah, we love it.
Yep, it really cleans this whole area up. Goes really good with the fireplace mantle and all the other stain here in the house. What a piece of furniture does for our room here.
Yeah.
And we built it. She built it.
Well, he helped.
He designed it. Looks good though. She did really
Yeah, we love it. So,
good.
thanks for watching.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Bye, Mika.
Your dog.